And thank you. The number of staff employed by Enterprise Ireland supported companies rose by nearly 12,000 last year, despite the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. It's the highest jobs gain ever recorded in a single year by the state agency, whose remit is the development and growth of Irish enterprise in world markets.
Health Beacon makes smart bins to help patients taking medication by injection at home to remember it and dispose of syringes safely. Last year posed many challenges for the startup, with COVID putting pressure on its supply chain and staffing. But despite this, it raised €25 million on the stock market, grew its business internationally and plans to triple its workforce.
The need to manage patients remotely and to think about leveraging these type of technologies to be prepared for things like COVID, it's just become not just a nice to have inside healthcare systems, but it's become quite essential to have.
But COVID-19 wasn't the only difficulty facing growing Indigenous Irish companies last year. For firms such as commercial freezer manufacturer Novum, Brexit also posed challenges.
It exports products to 30 countries, including the UK, which is a core market. Brexit did create new paperwork and costs, but Novum's preparation, including avoiding the land bridge, meant it's coped well, growing sales by a cool 30%.
We're able to develop new supply contracts with our customers, where we became responsible for exportation and our customers became responsible for importation. So we shared the load.
And both companies have been supported by Enterprise Ireland. Over the past year, despite the pandemic, its client firms have created a record 12,000 jobs net of job losses, bringing to 208,000 the number of people employed by EI-assisted businesses. Just over two-thirds of the new jobs are outside Dublin.
All sectors were up. We've seen particular gains in digital tech, in health and in business services. We've also seen gains, though, in construction, which is a big employment sector for us.
A good starting point as EI launches a new 3-year strategy that aims to grow employment at client firms by a further 45,000. Will Goodbody, RTE.